Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove background noise using Kinemaster application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Kinemaster, and as you can see I have created a project here on my Kinemaster. And before I show you how we can remove background noise from our video, I'm going to show you guys my original video. Wait, I'm going to play it to show you. Okay, this is for the original video and I'm going to remove the background noise of this video. First of all guys, we can tap on the video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active, and then we're going to scroll down until we find noise remover. Okay, this one guys. We can use this feature to remove background noise from our video. I'm going to activate this feature. Okay, and wait, let me check. Okay, and now the noise remover has been activated, and then I'm going to play it to take a look at the result. Okay, as you can hear that the noise has been removed from my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove background noise using Kinemaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!